What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Online Money Plug. Today, we're diving into how AI is set to create a new wave of millionaires. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer for anyone ready to harness its power. This is a monumental shift, one that only comes around every few decades, and those who jump in early will reap the rewards. First up, AI is revolutionizing income generation. With AI trading bots and automated e-commerce, people are building systems that earn money while they sleep. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are more than just software. They're like tireless business partners that never rest. Next, let's talk about how AI is transforming entrepreneurship. Creators are leveraging platforms like Pika Labs and 11 Labs to produce content and grow their audiences faster than ever. One person can now run a media empire that once required a whole team, leveling the playing field against big corporations. Now, let's discuss AI investing. It's booming. Investors are using machine learning to spot trends and build smarter portfolios. From AI-driven funds to blockchain analytics, data is giving retail investors a serious advantage. Here's the bottom line. AI is driving a wealth transfer from those who ignore it to those who embrace it. We've seen this before with the internet and crypto. Now it's AI's turn to shine. The next generation of millionaires won't just work harder, they'll work smarter, with AI doing the heavy lifting. And before we wrap up, don't forget about our $2 and $50 giveaway. Stay tuned for details. Here's the thing most people don't realize about AI. It's not just about making money, it's about scaling faster than ever. In the past, starting a business meant needing a whole team. Now, one person can do it all with AI at their fingertips. Imagine having ChatGPT write your business plan and Notion AI organize your workflow. Midjourney can create stunning visuals, and 11 Labs gives your brand a voice. It's like having a startup team running from your laptop. Let's dive into some real-world examples. People are launching six-figure AI-powered businesses right now. Some are running faceless YouTube channels that earn ad revenue every month. Others are creating AI-generated print-on-demand stores with ease. Freelancers are completing work 5 times faster, taking on more clients without sacrificing quality. This isn't a future trend, it's happening right now. The funding for AI startups is massive, but you don't need to be a coder to profit. You can leverage the same tools that billion-dollar startups use. Think about companies like Runway and OpenAI. They build the tools, but everyday entrepreneurs are using those tools to build brands that scale automatically. Here's a quick breakdown of the biggest AI wealth opportunities right now. AI-powered content creation is booming. Businesses are desperate for creators. AI digital products like ebooks and courses are selling like hotcakes. You can start an agency that helps businesses automate tasks with AI. AI investing is changing how we trade, giving everyday investors an edge. But here's the mindset piece. AI doesn't make lazy people rich. It empowers smart people to be unstoppable. You still need the ideas, the drive, and the discipline. AI just speeds up the process, letting you execute in hours instead of weeks. When the internet exploded, early adopters became millionaires. Now, we're entering the AI wealth era, and the pattern is clear. Those who use the technology get ahead, while others fall behind. The people learning AI now are setting themselves up for success. And here's something most overlook. AI compounds. Every tool you learn builds on another, creating a powerful ecosystem. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the rewards are higher than ever. So here's your call to action. Spend 1 hour a day learning AI. Every hour spent building with AI is an investment in your future. 5 years from now, everyone will know AI's power, but only a few will have capitalized on it. So don't wait for permission. Start experimenting today. Whether it's launching an AI YouTube channel or building an automation business, just start. AI is the ultimate multiplier, and those who understand it now will be the next generation of millionaires.
For the first time in history, anyone can access world-class AI tools that used to cost corporations millions. A few years ago, you needed a full team to build an app. Now, ChatGPT can write your code, and Midjourney can design your logo, all before lunch. We're entering an era where one person can do the work of an entire company. That's what makes this different from every past technological wave. When the Industrial Revolution hit, it was about machinery replacing manual labor. The internet was about speed and global reach. But AI? It's about leverage. AI gives individuals the power of scale, the ability to produce, communicate, and execute faster than ever. Those who combine creativity with AI are unstoppable. AI can't replace imagination. It amplifies it. Look around. People are launching digital agencies, automating marketing, and running virtual influencers, all as one-person businesses with AI as their partner. The best part? The entry cost is time, not money. You don't need $50,000 to start, just curiosity and consistency. Those who spend their free time learning AI are setting themselves up to thrive in the future. It's like the early YouTube days, back when creators were laughed at. Now they run million-dollar empires. AI is giving us that same window again, but this time it's 10 times bigger. Let's zoom in on how AI is transforming skills into scalable income. In the past, designers traded time for money, but now AI lets you create hundreds of graphics in minutes. Writers can use AI to generate outlines and drafts, meaning they can publish more, faster, and better. In marketing, AI provides data and analytics that show exactly where customers are going before they even get there. AI isn't replacing skilled people, it's supercharging them, turning freelancers into agencies and creators into brands. The real millionaires of the next decade won't be those who work harder, but those who work smarter with AI. Now, let's talk about AI data ownership. We're moving toward a world where your personal data can generate income for you. Imagine getting paid when your data helps train AI models or creating a digital version of yourself that works 24/7. This might sound futuristic, but companies are already experimenting with it. Influencers are licensing AI versions of themselves. Brands are using AI-generated avatars for customer support, and businesses are training chatbots with their founder's voice. This is digital duplication, and it's going to change everything. The next era of online income will be about automating your presence. And here's another overlooked piece: AI collaboration. We're not just talking humans using AI. We're talking AI tools working together. Your ChatGPT can connect to Zapier to automate emails, triggering your design AI to generate product mockups, all while you're doing something else. This isn't coming soon, it's happening right now. Those who know how to link these tools are creating passive digital machines. Think about how crazy that is. You could be on the beach while your AI tools write blog posts and design graphics. That's not science fiction, that's leverage. The next generation of millionaires will look completely different. They won't wear suits or work 80-hour weeks. They'll be solo entrepreneurs with laptops, using AI to automate 90% of what businesses used to do manually. This is the age of creative independence. AI has leveled the playing field, and now skill, vision, and speed matter more than credentials. Because the truth is, AI doesn't care about your degree or background. It only rewards execution. Those who act, learn, and experiment now will own the platforms everyone else will use later. And that's the opportunity, right here, right now.
We're in the midst of a monumental economic shift, and many don't even see it coming. AI isn't just shaking up old industries, it's birthing new ones at lightning speed. In the last couple of years, we've seen the emergence of AI automation agencies and prompt engineering jobs. These are industries that didn't even exist before 2023. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a full-blown economic reset. AI is doing for the 2020s what the internet did for the 1990s. It's rewriting the rules of wealth creation and distribution. And here's the kicker: it's a global phenomenon. A teenager in Brazil now has the same access to AI tools as a Wall Street executive in New York. This is the first true global equalizer in history. You don't need a fancy degree or a Silicon Valley address. Just Wi-Fi and curiosity will do. AI is breaking down old barriers, leading to millionaires emerging from unexpected places. Creators in developing countries are using AI to reach global audiences. Freelancers are leveraging AI to deliver top-notch work and command premium rates. Students are launching AI-driven businesses before they even graduate. The world used to reward capital. Now it rewards capability. Let's dive into what's really happening behind the scenes. Every time you open a new AI tool, you're holding leverage in your hands. Leverage is what separates the rich from the average. It multiplies your efforts. AI is giving everyone that leverage, once reserved for billion-dollar corporations. Now, it's digital, on-demand, and nearly free. This shift is giving rise to a new breed of entrepreneur, the AI-driven solopreneur. These individuals don't rely on investors. They build fast and scale globally from a laptop. Imagine one person running a brand that posts 100 videos a week using AI tools. Another uses AI bots to find leads and close sales while they sleep. And yet another creates an entire online course, all powered by algorithms. That's the new wave of business: lean, fast, and infinitely scalable. But what's coming next is even bigger. AI is moving into real-world industries too. It's optimizing construction, logistics, energy, and healthcare. Companies adopting AI early are saving millions, while those resisting are falling behind. This is how the next class of millionaires will emerge, not just from creating AI, but from using it better. We're entering the intelligence economy, where data and automation are more valuable than gold. The most valuable skill won't be coding. It'll be commanding AI to execute your ideas. Mastering AI tools now is like buying digital land before it skyrockets in value. Soon, people will look back at 2025 and say, that's when the new rich started forming. Those who took AI seriously and learned to delegate to machines will dominate 2030. It's not about replacing people, it's about enhancing them. AI multiplies opportunity for those willing to adapt. The key mindset shift is to partner with AI, not fear it. In the next decade, AI will be a survival skill, not just a competitive edge. Those who merge human creativity with machine precision will shape the future of wealth. This is just the beginning of something massive, and we're still early. Artificial intelligence is not just a buzzword. It's a game changer for anyone ready to harness its power. This is a monumental shift, one that only comes around every few decades, and those who jump in early will reap the rewards. First up, AI is revolutionizing income generation. With AI trading bots and automated e-commerce, people are building systems that earn money while they sleep. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are more than just software. They're like tireless business partners that never rest. Next, let's talk about how AI is transforming entrepreneurship. Creators are leveraging platforms like Pika Labs and 11 Labs to produce content and grow their audiences faster than ever. One person can now run a media empire that once required a whole team, leveling the playing field against big corporations. Now, let's discuss AI investing. It's booming. Investors are using machine learning to spot trends and build smarter portfolios. From AI-driven funds to blockchain analytics, data is giving retail investors a serious advantage. Here's the bottom line: AI is driving a wealth transfer from those who ignore it to those who embrace it. We've seen this before with the internet and crypto. Now it's AI's turn to shine. The next generation of millionaires won't just work harder, they'll work smarter, with AI doing the heavy lifting. And before we wrap up, Don't forget about our $2 and $50 giveaway. Stay tuned for details.